Assalamu alaikum, this is Yusuf and Mr. Khair. We need to talk about two squares and different between two cubes.
And thank you, Yusuf. I have this question for my dear students. Yusuf Fadani asked me actually about this question. Okay, Yusuf. And now, Yusuf, here actually I have a binomial, yes, and I have a minus here. But in this section, actually, you have to check the power first, if they are working with the 2 or not. How come? You go to the 6 and ask him, can you work with 2? He said yes. And the 4, the power of m, he said yes, I can work. So directly, Yusuf, you draw one dash of hummus and one dish of falafel. Yes, you like falafel or hummus, Yusuf? Or together?
Together.
Yes, very necessary. Now, the first part here, okay, I know here I have positive and here I have negative, and actually they are equal hummus and equal falafel, yes, and in the middle I have plus, minus, or minus plus, doesn't matter. And in the first term, from here, my dear student, I'm here. From here, I take the half of the power. The half of 6 is
3.
So in the first here, I have n with power 3. And in the second part, actually, from this, it is m with power 4. I cut the power by 2, and it is give me 2. So I will write here m with power 2. But I will never forget this guy. This guy, I take the radical of 25, and this give me 5. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Me too. And what we do in the left, we do in the right, before the battery die. Let's go. Okay, now it will be n with power 3, 5, m with power 2. We done. Easy, yes? Okay, if I have another question, Yusuf, and all my dear students. Yes. The second question is, what if I have n with power 6 minus 27 m with power 9? Now I go and do what Mr. Khair learned me. He said go to the power and check if it could be divided by 2. The first power is working and give me 3. But the second power is not working with the 2. Directly you have to go and think about difference between two cubes. Okay?
Okay.
So if you go to this result, you have to draw صحن حمص صغير وصحن حمص كبير. Okay. Yes. يعني صحنين حمص. No falafel more. Now in the first dish, actually I take the first part from here, but this time instead of divided by 2, you have to divide by 3. The power divided by 3, so it's give n with power 2. And be careful, the small dish take the same answer here, the same sign, sorry. In the second part here, my dear student, it is coming from this part. Okay, the m with power 9, as you know, we divide the m and the 9 by 3, so it is give me m with power 3. But I will never forget the 27. I go to my calculator and I don't click or press the normal radical. I go to the shift radical 27, and this is give me the 1/3 radical. Yes, bravo. And 1/3 radical 27, Yusuf, it is
3.
Nice work, my boy. So it is 3. Now I'm done from this. The next الصحن الكبير تبع الحمص the next dish or the next parentheses come from the small parentheses. Actually, it consists of the first part, the second part, and the middle part. Okay, the sign for the last part is positive actually all of time, but let me change the color. I will choose this. Okay, the second, and here I have positive. Okay, you see the yellow part come from square the first part here, and to square the n square, actually it is n square multiplied by n square. And you know, when you multiply or square or multiply something, you add the power, so it is give n with power 4. So this n with power 4. The second part here, or the last part, it is come from the second part here. I'm doing what I do in the first part. So it is 3m with power 3, yes, multiply by 3m with power 3. And as you see, 3 by 3 give me 9. And m with the power 3 multiply m with the power 3 give me m with the power 6. Are you happy with that, Yusuf? In the last step, the middle term here, you just write, multiply the first term by the second term. I will multiply the 3 by the number in front of the n square. There is nothing, teacher, so it is 1, just in case. 3 by 1 give me 3. And what I try to tell you, just carry the first term and the second term as it is. So you carry the n square here, write it in the next or in the coming question, n square, and carrying the m with power 3 here. Okay, sorry, and we're done. Are you happy with that, Yusuf?
Yes.
Easy, yes. And that's all about difference between two squares and difference between two cubes. And I hope you get all the benefits. Thank you, Yusuf, and see you in the next video. Yes, thank you. Say
Bye,
goodbye.
guys.
Bye.